What's going on, guys? My name is Roscoe. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you on a Jordan 1 sneaker. This sneaker I was actually looking forward to when it dropped. Unfortunately, I struck out and then I just let it sit. I wanted to see where resale prices, fluctuated, and right now they're going for retail. I mean, I got it for retail and it's dropped a couple months ago. I think it dropped in February. So, which is very surprising because Jordan 1s are like selling like crazy. The hype on Jordan 1s is just out of control. It was never like that back in like a couple years ago. Not at all. Now, this sneaker though, I was looking forward to when I heard about the colorway. I actually looked forward to this sneaker more than the Shadows, to be honest with you. And then I know everyone's head's probably about to explode. Because, oh, Shadows, it's an OG colorway. It's an OG colorway, but it's just black and, silver. Black and gray. There's really not much to it. And, I mean, I don't know. I just, I like stuff different. I feel like I can get a black and gray sneaker anywhere, I don't know. I'm not a fan of the Shadows. I think that's a reason why, too. I think a lot of people are not a fan of those. Because if you look at resale, everyone's like, oh, they're going to go crazy. Resale's going to go up high. I mean, it's sitting at retail right now on StockX. So, and so are these. So, I think the biggest surprise of the whole entire year of Jordan 1s was the bread toes. I think the quality on those were ridiculous. How limited they were. And the demand on those are crazy because right now they're, right around 300. So, I think that was the biggest surprise of the year for Jordan 1s. But without further, enough of the ranting. Let me show you the sneakers. So we get the Jordan 1 box, but you already know that. So let's get rid of the box. So I picked up let me pick up the other one. The Jordan 1 Game Royals. Now, I was wondering, when these sold out super quick, these sold out very quick. A lot of people said there wasn't a lot of hype around them to begin with, but they still sold out pretty, they still sold out within, I would say about 20 minutes. Probably less than that. But this isn't when I got these was the first time I looked at these in hand, and I can see why they're sitting at 165 right now, or 160. I can definitely see why. The blue is, it's very bright. The blue is bright. It just kind of it does look funky. It does look funky. And then the white is not. The white is really white. This is like white out white. So, I can see why they're sitting. Well, they're not sitting. I can see why they're not reselling for high, But they're growing on me. These are definitely growing on me. Because when I first pulled them out of the box, I was like, I'm not sure about these. But when I put them on feet and I put an outfit together, I definitely digging these. I'm definitely digging these a lot. It's just what is it? It's a Chicago 1 reverse with royal blue. That's all it is. It's all it really is. But I don't know. As far as the quality, it's just nothing special. Nothing crazy quality. I mean, toe box is nice. Hold on, let's focus on my face. Toe box is, it's soft but not crazy. I mean, it's not all crazy tumbled. Like I said, it's just a Jordan 1. It's not, like I said, the quality is, I'd give quality about 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. So. But how would I rock these, man? I think you could rock these with anything too, though. I wouldn't, since the blue is so bright, I wouldn't go matchy-matchy with the blue. I just wouldn't matchy-matchy with the blue. I've seen people do it, and it's too much. It's too much, it's too loud. Like, I've seen someone do, like, royal blue these with, like, royal blue sweatpants, and I'm like, ugh, I don't know, man. That's way too much. See, like, with these, I would just rock it with jeans and, like a plain white tee or a plain black tee. You can go graphic tees, that's fine if you're into that. But I would just rock blue jeans and, a t-shirt with these. Be honest with you. I mean, you can mix it up the patterns. You can definitely mix up patterns with it. If you want to throw a flannel and you want to throw some sort of, button-down shirt over it, that would work. But I'd let these shoes speak for themselves. because that's how bright they are and how crazy they are when you see them. You know, if I was walking down the street wearing these, you'd notice these. You know, you would notice these on my feet. So, I don't know. I'm digging these. These are growing on me. I like these a lot. Jordan 1s have been out of control this year, which is no surprising. I recently just picked up the Track Reds, which are absolutely insane. Track Reds are absolutely insane. The suede is really nice on those. So, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these. I got them, like I said, I got them for $165. Let me know if that's a good deal or not. You know, if this is a copper drop at retail, you know, 2-3 months into it. I don't think the prices are going to go lower than that, to be honest with you, because I think with the supply is going to go low, and they're just going to be more harder to get DS. So I think they're going to be stay around you know, retail price, which is fine. So I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think about the shoe. I thought this was definitely a cop, but I think a lot of people didn't really like these out of all of them. They went with the shadows. They decided to skip and just go with the shadows, which is, I guess it's understandable, but I prefer these. So, guys, if you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I post a couple videos out a week, so go check them out if you want. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to do it on feet for you guys so you guys can get a better look on them. I'm telling you, they look better on feet. Just saying. I'm just saying. So, without further, I'll show you that, and I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.